So I'll be showing you the basic gadgets you need as a content creator. Because let me tell you something, as a content creator, you don't need expensive gadgets or expensive equipment when shooting a video. So watch this video while I'll show you the basic gadgets you just need while shooting a video. So number one thing you need is just light. Lighting is very important. Yeah. When you are indoor, you need light to shoot your video. This is light. This is called the LED. The Pro LED 800. It's very basic for you, especially when shooting indoor. But when shooting outdoor, you don't need the light, you don't need this thing, but you still need it. Maybe there might be a time you're just trying to shoot a video during darkness. So light is very important. And even while you're still outside, you still need light in some instances. So we talk about the lighting. So if you can see very well, I set up the light, and if you see now, the light is well lightening everywhere, and it's making everywhere so sweet. So let's go to the next equipment you need as a content creator. The next equipment you need as a content creator is a camera. Yeah, it can be your phone or a very nice professional camera like this. But as a content creator, getting a camera like this is very expensive. But if your wallet or your budget is enough to get something like this, it will be very good because it will give a very quality sound. But as an upcoming content creator, I would advise you to go for using your mobile phone. One important thing about shooting content is clarity. Your camera needs to be clear, very clear, so that your audience can understand what you're shooting. So your phone is the second, or let's just say your camera is the second gadget which is very important as a content creator. So the third gadget you need, and this one is very important, is a wireless mic. This is a wireless mic. This is the mic on my body here right now. Look at it. You're hearing the sound. So it's very important because you can shoot your video from any location you want to shoot your video from, because this wireless mic is well sweet that it can be compared with all those podcast mic those guys usually use, because it's more durable and more mobility. You can use it, you can go any corner you want because it does not have any wire, it does not have anything blocking it. All you just have to do is just to connect it to your camera, and your put the other end on your body, and you are good to go. And again, there's something I want to say. Audio is very important in shooting a content. See, you can get a blurry video, but when the audio is not maybe audible or not clear, I bet you people will not watch up to 5 seconds of your video. They will just opt out. So having a very good sound either on your mobile phone or a wireless camera, an external wireless camera, is very important. So let's go to the next gadget you need as a content creator. So as a content creator, there's what they call tripod. This tripod is very important. Yeah, if you can ask somebody to hold your camera just as I'm doing, and the person can stay static for like 5 hours shooting a content, no problem. In as much as the person doesn't get tired, you can continue shooting your content. But as a content creator, you need a tripod. Tripod is very important because this tripod gives you stability when shooting content. Because there are some instances when the person shooting your video might get tired, and you just see the camera will start shaking. You start shaking, and the person might come to balance. But at that point, there's been a distortion in the video, because right now somebody's trying to hold the camera for me. So a tripod is very important when shooting your video. And again, you need a phone grip. Phone grip is always important because this helps you hold your phone, because there are some tripod you get in the market, the tripod doesn't have a grip like this. So the grip helps you to hold your phone. As a content creator, you put it here. If you can see, you put it, you tie it, and you keep it on your tripod. So the grip is also very important as a content creator. There are sometimes you want to shoot your video and you just need a very good grip like this. So lastly, what I'll be talking about is you need a good laptop. You need a very good and fast laptop. As a content creator, you can't rely on your phone video editor. There are some professional tools or some professional effects which you can find on mobile phones or mobile apps. So you need a laptop as a content creator. You need a very good laptop like this as a content creator. A very fast laptop, at least a 8 gig RAM. But if you don't have, I said it before, that you don't need expensive gadget, you can start with your mobile phone. But have it at the back of your mind that there's room for improvement. When you start making money, when you start growing, you can increase your budget and increase your equipment. So, well, I've come to the end of this video. If you find this video very helpful, just like and share and subscribe this video. And I would like to see some of your comments under this video. Drop your comment and tell me what you feel about gadget needed for content creation and as a beginner, as a content creator. Thank you for watching. Bye.